thankful you're not in this mess tonight. This is a live look at traffic at LAX right now. Hundreds of thousands of people still trying to get home today. One of the busiest travel days of the year, made even worse by a major snowstorm back east. 13,000 flights canceled or delayed nationwide because of the storm in just 2 days. But the frustration factor is sky high tonight at LAX, as you could imagine.
Travelers who were stranded or delayed by the storm are trying to make it home after the long holiday weekend. KCAL 9's Hermela Aragawi is live at LAX. Hermela, I'm looking behind you. Doesn't look great.
Oof.
It's pretty bad. People say this is what's frustrating them the most. This flow is probably the most flow that we've seen all day. It's been bumper to bumper traffic, and it starts far out from the airport. We talked to people who are coming home. They say they know LA has a lot of traffic, but today is really trying their patience. A mass homecoming at LAX as many return from their Thanksgiving holiday in what's marked as the busiest travel day of the last 2 weeks.
Coming back from Puerto Vallarta, had some anxiety about coming back today, but it was pretty smooth.
Airport officials say more than 250,000 travelers moved through LAX today alone.
The traffic was pretty horrendous.
Jam-packed, a lot of cars waiting at the Uber stops, very popular spot to be at. So it's very busy.
But this side of the country was relatively lucky. A winter storm in the Midwest dropped up to a foot of snow and left many stranded at airports in Kansas and Illinois. At Chicago's O'Hare, hundreds of flights were canceled while many more were delayed.
It's more than frustrating, actually. It's over an hour wait just to try to rebook your flight.
Here at LAX, people have had it a lot better. Airport officials tell us there were about 30 flights that were delayed and a handful incoming flights that were canceled. Live at LAX, Hermela Aragawi, KCAL 9 News.